Good morning, friends. This is Wendy Cannin of Cannin Plannin. I'm excited to be hanging out with you guys today. We are going to be talking about the spring cleaning insert. Spring is the perfect time for jumping in and doing a little bit of cleaning. Or if you can't get it all done in 31 days, which is the challenge that is in this insert, I would challenge you to make a plan and put it on your schedule and do as much as you can do in the time frame that you have available to you, because we are all busy moms. We are all busy people. We have kids, we have jobs, and sometimes cleaning the house in a deep cleaning manner is not something that can happen all the time. So we want to be able to give you guys the space and the time to be able to do that. I love the spring cleaning insert because it's a great master list for kind of checking off all the things that you need to get done in your spring cleaning. So let's take a look at the spring cleaning insert. So it starts out, and you can see that I've used this for pictures and some different things, but it is a 31 days to clean the inside challenge. Okay. So what it's done for you is it has broken up all of your cleaning responsibilities for inside your home over a 31-day time frame. And this is perfect for those of you that want to take a little bit of piece at a time. Maybe you can't do it all in 31 days, but you can break it out over a couple of months' time. Maybe you do a whole bunch of things in one weekend, and then like your kitchen, maybe you break that down and you're like, hey, there's 7 days of stuff, but I can get it all done in one day. That's fantastic. But this is a great way for you to break it down and think about the different ways that you can get your house clean. There is off to the side here a fantastic way for you to write all of the supplies that you need, because when we're getting in the middle of cleaning, the last thing you want to do is have to run to the store and get the supplies that you need to make it happen. Now, if you are in the mood for some water-based cleaning and some green cleaning, then I would say check out Norwex. I'm going to give a plug for them because their EnviroCloths are perfect for washing Tula XII covers and totes. So I'm going to do a shameless plug for them. I am not an affiliate with Norwex. I just believe in that particular product for that purpose. And so if that's something that you want to do, make sure you find your rep and get those supplies ordered so that you can get them going. Okay. Let's hop in and look at a few pages inside of the insert. So the first thing you're going to find is on the first page, there's a place for closets and dressers. It gives you a place to write the master closet or whose kid it belongs to, or the hall closet. There's also space underneath for you to write some different things. I went to Pinterest and found some different checklists that I can use for questions to see whether or not I love the product that I have in my house or the items that I have in my house and what I want to do with them. Another tip that I love for closets, and I'm just going to share this one tip because it's one of my favorite ones. I do it every 6 months, is turn your hangers around backwards. If you don't wear it during that season, then it needs to go. And it has helped me immensely to be able to keep my closet clean and organized. As I get new things, the old things will go if I haven't worn them during that season. I love doing this in all of my kids' closets as well, because then I know what they have worn and what they haven't worn, and then I can donate them appropriately. So that's my one cleaning tip you guys are going to get right at the very beginning. But you can see that it breaks down. The kitchen is broken down into 8 days. You can see that each one of these washi taped sections belongs with a day, but there is lots of space for you to add your own things in. There is space for bathrooms, if you have more than one bathroom in your house, bedrooms, living rooms and dining rooms and laundry rooms and offices. There is a page for outside, for garage and stuff, but that is not part of the challenge. But this insert, plus lots of places for cleaning notes, this insert is designed to help you get organized with your home. Again, it's not something that has to be done in 31 days. It is just a way for you to break down the tasks. And when you are creating a plan, whether it's cleaning or meal planning, or you are working on a huge project, one thing that I highly recommend is take time to break down the tasks into bite-sized pieces, because that will take the overwhelm out of it. And having those plans in place are great for being able to put together those time frames when you have to work so that you're not feeling like you have to try to get it all done in one day, but instead you can break it down when you have time, when you have help, when you can delegate, when you can get some assistance from others in your family or friends, and know that you have a plan and you can just work right through it. So thank you for joining me for our spring cleaning insert today. Hope you have enjoyed this information. If you find it valuable, please hit that share button and send it out to all of your friends. Thank you for joining Cannin, Plannin, and have a fantastic day. Bye, friends.